Hello guys, welcome to the 51st session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to translate text using Azure Cognitive Service. Till now we have used Cognitive Service packages or Project Oxford, but for translation there is no standardized package. We need to manually send a request to its API and retrieve the response from XML. Here, I have created a new dialog and retrieve text that user typed and pass it to translate text method. For sending request, we must need to pass translation API key. So let us create new translation API. Fill required details. I have already created it, so let us open it. Obtain its key. Paste it. Translation API is available globally, so we do not need to care about region or endpoint. We need to use this domain name to send the request. Here translate is the name of the method. The text represents string to be translated. From and to represent respective language code. First of all, we need to generate URL on which we will send the request. Here I want to translate text from English to German, so write it statically. You can also prompt it to user or store this data in conversation data. Create using block for HTTP client. We need to pass our key in the request header. Note that we need to use this parameter name for specifying a key. Send a request using getAsync method. Here we need to pass URL. Let us retrieve XML string from the response. Create an instance of XML document. Load XML in this and return its inner text. That's it. Let us test it. Start a new conversation. Write hello. We got hello. Let us try how are you. We got translated text of it. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. To translate text, we require key of translation API. Here is URL pattern for translating text. This API includes various other methods. I have added a link to its documentation. Even we can perform an operation for all cognitive services in a similar way, because all packages perform this operation in the background. Here I have created an instance of HTTP client and send a request and obtained its response in XML. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.